Dividend reinvesting drip, dividend reinvesting plan or procedure. I'm adopting this at the moment with my stock holding. I've invested for passive income. I'm investing in individual companies and ETFs that pay good dividends. The idea is to gain regular passive income, but at the moment I don't need this income, so I'm reinvesting each dividend back into the company that paid it. By doing this, I'm increasing my holding every time, so the next dividend payout will be higher because I have an increased holding in that company, and I do this on a regular basis, so every dividend payment is paid back in, and the holding is increased. Therefore the dividend payout is higher because the dividend payout relates to the amount in the holding of shares I own. So I've recently had payouts, as you can see from my Trading 212 history. I've had a payout from iShares UK Dividend Distribution. This is an exchange traded fund that invests in UK based companies that pay higher than normal dividends, and my recent dividend payout on this ETF is £1.66. The other one is iShares Asia Pacific Dividend, paying out £2.33. This is a ETF that invests in companies in the Asia Pacific region that pay higher than normal dividends. And lastly, BP, British Petroleum. This is a UK based worldwide oil company that does everything from upstream to downstream. That is, it explores, extracts, refines and sells the product. So it looks at the oil fields, drills, transports, refines and sell the final product at petrol stations. So I've reinvested all of these dividends back into my stock holding, which we will have a look at now. There's BP, Realty Income. I've recently had a dividend on that and paid that in. Then there's Vanguard FTSE All World, which is another ETF that invests in higher yielding companies that pay higher yielding dividends throughout the whole world. Coca-Cola, recently had a payout from them. Consolidated Edison, this is a US based energy company that supplies electric, gas and steam, regional heating to properties in New York. Then we've got iShares UK Dividend, which we just mentioned, iShares Asia Pacific. Legal & General is also a good one that pay out good dividends. These are all dividend paying stocks I invest in, and my highest investment is in BP, but also I've got, as I said, Legal & General, JP Morgan US equity, another JP Morgan one which invests in equities that pay a high dividend. Then we've got some banks and heating oil and gold. These are a different type, and crude oil. These are commodities where I'm just sort of playing the markets. When they rise, I'll sell. When they drop, I'll rebuy again. But anyway, that is a quick overview of my dividend reinvesting plan, which I'm actively using. The passive income I'm getting, I don't need at the moment, so I'm reinvesting. But the day might come when I do need the passive income, so the dividends will be taken to spend. At the moment, I'm reinvesting and growing my holding. Thank you for watching. Till next time, I hope you have a really good investing adventure.